Hello, hello. Not financial advice, just for entertainment purposes only. I went long on Spy Call about here. I was kind of watching the RSI in the 1 minute, and also on the 5 minute. I don't remember now. I don't know what I'm doing, so by all means, do not follow me. And it's also kind of by the time this video comes out, try to be late. So kind of around here. I guess the Treasury Secretary said something about not the China tariffs are not what Trump was saying, like if they're still on or I don't know. It crushed the market for a good 15 minutes, right, at the 5 minute bars. There were obviously a few greens along the way, but we're kind of starting to form now. It looks like a U sort of. Now, I got in at 19. I bought the 550. Like I'm not a big gambler. I mean, because I just learned my lessons over the years. I don't really want to do it. I mean, it's just for fun. But I got into the 550 call, so it's up there. I'm not going to hold it obviously till 550 because even today the highest we got was about 545. I'm just looking for a little bit of move here. Um, right now I'm up about $5. I got in it for $19, so now it's worth 24 if I sell. So that's worth 25. So it's not too bad. All right, I'm gonna blow a day trade. I'm blowing a day trade for one single $19 option, but I think hopefully it'll play out. So what I'm gonna use, just because I don't want to lose money, is I'm gonna use the 1 minute bar. So here's the 1 minute on the open. Are getting sold off here now. Not good. Come on, fight back, fight back. Anyway, so here's the bottom of the 1 minute bar. Here's the top of the 1 minute bar, and then here's this 1 minute bottom was also the 1 minute the 5 minute bottom, and this is the 5 minute top. So if we get close to 540, I'm probably gonna bail because yeah, it could push through higher, but this could also be a level of resistance, right? And the market's gonna it's gonna push it back down. Because if you look, okay, and then I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, all right? So I'm just sharing what I kind of have learned, or I'm not a professional. Um, is that this was resistance? Like, would it crash down to here? It pushed back up, trying to get up back up to here, and then it kind of hung out there for a bit, right? For a couple of bits, it hung out there, hoping that it, and then it rolled back over and it's down. I think at this point, I'm just going to close it because profit is profit, and yeah, I made $3 on $19 bet, so I made 15%, I guess. But I got out. Okay, it started fading. I should have realized that these wicks are price rejection. So it's getting rejected at this point. They weren't full bars, right? Full bars have more strength. This was getting rejected, and it got rejected twice. Probably should have got out, but I was too busy talking to you guys. I blame all of you. Um, anyway, so I'm out. I use my phone. It's so much easier to use my phone. So I was here. All right, I got out at $22. Still hanging around there. Um, the crazy thing about volatility is the rate of change also impacts the volatility of the price of the option. They call it gamma. And so even if your option might be crashing, your call might be crashing. If it's changing fast enough, you actually might not be losing money for a couple seconds. But now it's down to 21. So I got out. I could have made $5. Could have been a cool what do I call it? That would have been like 25%. Instead I kind of eked out with 15, and it's going down some more. So yeah, so it faded. I'm glad I got out. Anyway, I just wanted to make a quick video. So really quick, so in about 9 minutes, I made 15%. I took a bet on a put last night, and I spent $10, and I sold it for $1. I lost $9 there. So overall, the day on SPY trading, I'm down $6. But uh, you know, in less than 10 minutes, I was up 25% if I had just gotten out a bit sooner. So it's obvious why people do gamble on these options. It's just that it's just a dangerous game. Anyway, not financial advice, just for entertainment purposes only. Good luck, everybody. Uh, just be aware that we have headline risk, so it's any tweet, any announcement will just rock the market. There's not a lot of technical, I don't think, trading involved, even though I used RSI just now. So it's just kind of dangerous. But this is also where uh, opportunity also is available. Anyway, good luck.